Tip number 6, using color for impact. How you use color on your presentation slides is important. It can have a huge impact on the effectiveness and readability of your presentation. Incorporate your brand's color scheme so that the presentation aligns with your identity and looks professional. Pro designers often use just one main color, a secondary color, and perhaps one more accent color for highlights. The goal is to choose a harmonious and consistent color scheme which allows the audience to focus on your content without being distracted by too many changing colors. Ensure high contrast between text and background for readability. Low contrast combinations, like yellow text on light background, strain the eyes of your audience. Finally, maximize accessibility by using colorblind-friendly palettes. Some combinations, like red and green, can be difficult to distinguish for many. That's better. Using color effectively is a big topic. For personalized help with your presentations and speeches, our expert coaches are here to help. Just reach out for a free consultation.